So like step one is kiosk, but that's not even really what we're here for. It's marketing at the end of the day to bring you guys more and more business.
So Zyro Chronicles, the whole focus of this is really to give you a reality style show of what happens in the day-to-day world of a startup. When you think about the Apples and the Nikes and the Microsofts and seeing how they were when they first started and growing with them when they were 10 employees to 500 employees to 1,000 employees.
We're going to install a new kiosk and check up on a couple of our other kiosks because we are taking over Berkeley. Put this down real quick. Whew. You want to get in shape? Work with Zyro. So we just showed up. We're here with our friends at Rare Tea. Oh, wait a minute. They're closed. We got to figure this out.
The internet connection. We would
install the kiosk, and they're good to go. It's easy when we install Rare Tea because they have like 5 of our kiosks now, so they know what to do. So I could just literally come in here and be like, here it is, go get them. And they're like, thank you. And on to the next. We are in location Dose, about to set up another Rare Tea with a second kiosk, because what's better than one kiosk? 2 kiosks.
Yep. What's up, guys? Right now I'm waiting for Simone. She's coming from San Francisco. We're both going to go to the Cookout food truck. I'll be doing the photography today, and I'll be doing a little bit of the vlogging. And while I'm doing all that, Simone's gonna be doing the menu editing and the whole client success process. And I'm about to post some content for Eugene Johnson, our CEO. You could find him right here. Eugene Johnson. Eugene K. Johnson. Go give him a follow. Oh yeah, by the way, my name is Marvin Gabriel, and I am the photographer and content creator behind the lens for Eugene and Zyro. Right now, I'm actually working on pulling out some content for Eugene. I'm gonna take this pillar content that I shot with Eugene, and I'm gonna break it down into some micro content. And if you guys wanna see what it is that I'm working on, you can check it out right about now.
Hit by every emotional situation that happens to you. So it's very few times that I let anybody's words put me in any type of state, whether negative or positive.
I just came to celebrate. They want me to detonate.
What's up, man? How you doing?
boss?
What's your name and where you from?
Rob McGee. I'm from Mountain View, California.
Tell me a little bit about your business.
So it's fish and chips and more trucks. So we do fish and chips. We do chicken. We have multiple flavors. Southern and Old English style, from halibut to catfish.
And what got you interested into our kiosk?
Actually, you know what? I was contemplating hiring another person, and I was scrolling through my Instagram, and it's almost like Instagram kind of thinks for you. And so, boom, it popped up, and I was like, wow. So I just started clicking on it, and I was like, this is perfect.
Wait, you saw our Instagram?
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh!
Yeah.
Give the camera a high five. Just tap the camera. Boom.
It's
Boom.
only $2 more, and then add it, and then it'll go to 3 pieces.
And then if you wanted to make that a combo, or you have it all in a separate.
So I put, because I was trying to play around with the combo meal on this, and I could. So what I could do is like combo and then add every single one, and then add the different price.
prices.
Yeah, I could do that.
If you want to add, 2 pieces. Any of the ones, like wings, you'll get 3 wings. You'll get a half order of tenders. You'll get 2 pieces of snapper or 2 pieces of cod.
Okay. And then did you kind of want me to advertise like the pieces on there? So like if I clicked on it, right, it'll say cod parentheses maybe 2 pieces.
Yeah, because we have
main meal.
Or for not for the main meal, but for like the combo.
add 2 pieces. Yeah, like
Because some
add 2
people
pieces.
want a 3-piece first part and then add 2 more pieces. Because they'll start with a 3-piece and then add 2.
Okay.
Or some people will be like, because we only have a 3-piece cod, and they're like, can I get a 4-piece cod? So I try to force them into getting
the combo.
Yeah, just
Gotcha.
just add the 2 as opposed to going 350.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. That's doable. Okay.
Now, if we wanted to add something, how do we do that with you?
Or if we're out of stock.
Yeah. So out of stock, we will provide you with a tablet that'll give you the option to put it out of stock. So let's say you're out of cod, all you have to do is push out of stock, and it won't show on the menu. It'll show out of stock on the menu.
Okay.
Love God, think twice, don't go on your own. They say I play too much. You right.
We're rolling out some social media stuff for some of our customers who are high volume. And so we're taking their data and we're finding out who's ordering and what they're ordering. And then we're creating audiences for that to push Facebook ads and Instagram ads around like the popular items and around the correct demographics of their community. So it's like stuff like that, but then like at a much higher level as we continue to grow. We're gonna plug that cord into, because we don't have any available outlets. So if you go over, all those outlets are occupied. Yeah. So there's that outlet up there that's also occupied. There basically isn't a free outlet in the building right now. I wonder if we can go to a hardware store and grab one of them power strips? Power strips. Yeah. So maybe we have to put it over here and just run it up. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. That's cool. We go over that. Solution? All the way up there. See that? Where the TV is? There's our answer. There's our answer. Spider-Man impersonation. Or is that Eugene? We don't know. We don't speak about